Investors need to be patient and prepared for a bumpy ride. Biotechs are boom or bust. Either they cure something big or they run out of cash. RGO is no different. The company's future depends on the success of their clinical trials and their ability to secure funding to keep the research going. Biotech stocks are notoriously volatile, with prices swinging wildly on news of trial results, regulatory approvals, or setbacks. RGO's management team has experience in the industry, which is a plus, but there are no guarantees in biotech. Investors should be prepared for the possibility of significant losses if things don't go as planned. On the flip side, a breakthrough could send the stock soaring. It's a classic high-risk, high-reward scenario. Only invest if you can stomach the roller coaster. Biotech investing isn't for the faint of heart. The ups and downs can be extreme, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype or panic during a downturn. RGO's stock price will likely be driven by news flow. Positive trial results could lead to big gains, while setbacks could trigger sharp declines. It's important to do your own research, understand the science behind the company's products, and be realistic about the risks involved. If you're comfortable with volatility and have a long-term perspective, RGO could be worth a look. But don't bet the farm. Biotech is a sector where diversification is key. DWSN, Dawson Geophysical, Oil and Gas Exploration Services. This company provides the technology and expertise that energy companies need to find and extract oil and gas reserves. DWSN specializes in seismic data acquisition and processing, which helps their clients identify promising drilling locations. The energy sector is cyclical, with fortunes rising and falling along with commodity prices. When oil prices are high, demand for DWSN services tends to increase, but when prices fall, exploration budgets get slashed, and companies like DWSN feel the pinch. The company has a long history in the industry and a reputation for quality, but they're not immune to the challenges facing the energy sector. If energy prices soar, DWSN could ride the wave. The company's fortunes are closely tied to the price of oil and gas. When prices are high, exploration activity picks up, and DWSN services are in demand. This can lead to increased revenue, higher profits, and a rising stock price. However, the energy market is notoriously volatile, with prices influenced by global events, geopolitical tensions, and shifts in supply and demand. Investors in DWSN need to be comfortable with this volatility and be prepared for the possibility of sharp swings in the stock price. But if green energy steals the spotlight, they might be left in the dust. The world is moving toward renewable energy sources like wind and solar, and this shift could pose a long-term threat to companies focused on fossil fuels. DWSN will need to adapt